Two unlikely different Cybertrucks, one driven possibly by Elon Musk, are now being driven in Austin and Silicon Valley. Welcome back, everyone. This is Armen Hareyan from TorqueNews.com. Yesterday, two Twitter Tesla bloggers, the Ray4 Tesla and TikToker Carlos84, shared these two short videos of what appears to be two different types of Tesla Cybertrucks driving in the streets of Austin, Texas, and Silicon Valley in California. The one in Austin looks like is driven by Tesla CEO Elon Musk himself, who even tweeted about it last Saturday, showing an interesting image of Cybertruck, but not a video. Austin, of course, makes sense here, because that's where Tesla Giga Texas factory is located, and that's where Tesla will start the production of the much-awaited Cybertruck. In fact, today, on July 10, Giga Texas drone operator Joe Tegtmeyer just tweeted an hour ago that there are rumors in the Giga Texas area, according to which, quote, employees are working on Cybertruck lines today. But he continued saying that he cannot confirm it. Now, note that one Cybertruck is fully camouflaged. That's the one on the scene in Silicon Valley, probably not too far from Tesla's Fremont factory. The other isn't camouflaged and drives in the streets of Austin without a wrap. It's plain stainless steel. Carlos, who shared the video of the Cybertruck driving in Austin, says it's driven by Tesla CEO Elon Musk. However, it's very hard to see who is behind the wheel in the video. It can be Elon Musk or it can be somebody else. It's really hard to see. Now, if you are able to determine if the driver is Elon Musk, please let me know in the comment section below. But we do not know that we do know that 2 days ago, last Saturday, Tesla CEO Elon Musk posted a photo of an undisguised Cybertruck prototype on his Twitter account, accompanied by the caption, quote, just drove Cybertruck around Austin. Also, Elon Musk did not offer too many details about what it was like to drive the Cybertruck, though he noted in a reply that it was very fun. Regarding the other video with the wrap, I think soon the Cybertruck may become one of the most characteristic things you see in the streets of Silicon Valley. Do you think so? We're now really starting to see how this will look on the road with other vehicles. Let me know, friends, your thoughts in the comment section below. This is very interesting. Cybertruck is coming very soon, and we're going to see more of it on Tesla Semi. And subscribe to this channel, because I'm bringing all of these reports daily to you. This is Armen Hareyan from TorqueNews.com. God bless you, everyone, and let's move on to our next story. There are two new photos of Cybertruck's interior, and they have leaked, and they show the truck's rudimentary dash design. Take a look at that, friends. This is Armen Hareyan from TorqueNews.com. Despite recent reports that production of the Tesla Cybertruck is nearing, along with a growing number of spy shots showing Cybertruck test modes, we still haven't had a really good look at the interior of Tesla's first cargo bed toting Cybertruck. Now, nearly 4 years after CEO Elon Musk first announced the Cybertruck in 2019, we're getting our first real look at the interior of the Cybertruck. One of the test modes was photographed at a recent Tesla shareholder meeting held in Texas, and the leaked image appeared on the Cybertruck Owners Club forum, which is ironic because, well, there aren't any Cybertruck owners yet, but these are probably the future owners who have put the $100 deposit to be in the line for future Cybertruck delivery. The first photo was taken from the driver's point of view and shows a few key details. Immediately obvious is the nearly octagonal steering wheel that takes on a shape somewhere between a standard round wheel and Tesla's yoke-like tiller. No turn signal stalk is visible behind the wheel, with Tesla's instead opting for capacitive buttons. Like on the Tesla Model 3 and Model Y, the Cybertruck doesn't have a traditional gauge cluster. This further throws the large, nondescript dashboard into sharp perspective. Given the unconventional shape of the Tesla Cybertruck, the lengthy flat dashboard isn't all that surprising, but it looks uninspired nonetheless. What do you think, friends? I think you would agree with that. Like all other Teslas, the vast majority of the truck's controls reside in the center touchscreen. The large horizontal display works with the steering wheel to break up an otherwise empty dash, which is devoid of any visible HVAC vents or charging outlets. The center console seems to also fit in with the general theme of Cybertruck. The sliding cover for the console looks to mimic the tonneau cover for the truck bed. Initially, there were claims that the center console would fold up the create of third jump seat, though it is tough to tell from the leaked images if that is still the case. So, friends, we will soon start seeing more of Tesla's highly anticipated and long overdue electric pickup truck. Who knows, but we'll keep an eye on for official details, as well as leaks, as well as prices, and I'll let you know once we get more images of the Cybertruck interior. So if you are here first time, please take a moment and subscribe to this channel, Torque News channel, for daily Tesla and electric vehicle news, and I'll see you soon in our next report. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What do you think when you see this Cybertruck images? Tesla CEO Elon Musk just gave a very good update about Cybertruck's production timeline, putting the production estimate much lower than many people in the industry anticipated. So if you have Cybertruck coming, you have a reservation, please look forward to it. It may come earlier and sooner than you think. Despite the design of the electric pickup truck being polarizing, everything pointed to the Cybertruck having a robust demand. A tally showed that the Cybertruck had received over 1.5 million reservations. To be fair, those reservations only required a $100 refundable deposit, so it is not the strongest show of interest, but it is still an impressive number of reservations of people interested in Cybertruck. Many Tesla fans and analysts believe that the automaker could produce Cybertruck at the same rate as some 1 million unit pickup program in the United States, like the Ford F-150. However, CEO of Tesla Elon Musk has now managed expectations down. During a presentation at Tesla annual shareholder meeting yesterday, Musk reiterated Tesla's goal to bring Cybertruck to production later this year and volume production next year. This has been the timeline since earlier this year. The presentation was followed by a Q&A during which a Tesla shareholder asked Musk about Tesla's planned peak production capacity for Cybertruck at Giga Texas. Here's what Elon Musk said. The CEO answered and said, there will be a S-curve production. So it will be slow at first and then ramping up. I guess we will see what the demand is, but we're likely to make 250,000 Cybertrucks a year, maybe more. It depends what the demand is like. He later added that he believed it will be between 250,000 and 500,000 units a year. The CEO also said it will be hard to make the Cybertruck affordable. This is an interesting comment. My biggest takeaway is that we should brace ourselves for an update on Cybertruck pricing, as many people thought in the industry before. We already knew that the $40,000 to $80,000 options for Cybertruck originally announced are now unrealistic following inflation, but I think those who were expecting a modest increase will now have to adjust their expectations. Now, obviously, the more expensive versions will come first, so I think we will not see a Cybertruck cheaper than likely $70,000 until 2025. If you were looking for a base version for less than $50,000, I don't think that will happen. As for cheaper than $60,000, probably not unit 2020, not until 2026. However, building electric vehicles, the prices are coming down, so we should see Tesla learning ways to build cars much less expensive. The cost will be coming down, and hopefully over the time car prices will come down just like television prices. But until now, they have been going up, except some variations. So what do you think about the Cybertrucks coming sooner in the production? Let me know, friends, your thoughts in the comment section below, and what price do you expect to pay for Cybertruck, and how much are you willing to pay? So let's have a nice discussion in the comment section below about the pricing of the Cybertruck, as it's imminent. And please subscribe to this channel, because I assume very soon Tesla will announce the Cybertruck pricing as it starts coming off the assembly line, and I will report that as soon as possible, keeping our finger on the pulse of this news.